here, coming to you with another pour on a 40 by 50 canvas. I'm going to kind of do a minimalistic reflection swipe using colours that I'd scraped off a canvas probably a couple of weeks ago now. I scraped all this paint off and I topped it up and keep the lid on. So it was obviously lots of turquoise in there, and it's got a lot of sparkle, so I'm saying there must have been some metallic gold or silver in there. So I'm going to use this as my base coat. So waste not, want not, all use it up. And what I'll do is I'll use my soft sponge to actually sponge it all in. Probably put too much paint as I normally do, but that's fine. So this was all leftover paint that I'd scraped off a particular pour that I didn't like. So often get comments about, you know, all the paint you scrape off, it's, you know, waste all that paint. Well, you actually don't. You can definitely recycle it all like I'm doing now. So and it's perfectly fine. It's actually a really nice creamy texture for the certain styles that work, I'm pretty sure. Rightio, I am going to try and do a reflection swipe. So this is some navy paint I'd already made up, so it's really quite a dark navy. And then this is the antique gold, which is pre-made up in this bottle. The global paints, mixed with my pouring medium. So maybe try and keep it, to a minimum of colours. And then I'm going to add some of this metallic bronze. So just giving it a good shake. Yeah. Oh, sorry about the noise going on in here. I've had to put my washing machine on. It's a rainy day, and my husband come back from a weekend hovercraft away with all the washing, so just trying to get through all of that. Rightio, and this is my white, so I will put some of that in. And then to actually swipe it through, I'll go with this, this is the phthalo blue. It is just straight out phthalo blue. And a whiz over with my heat wand. Now, if this doesn't look any good as a reflection swipe, I may very well blow those colours out, because I think that they will look equally as nice. So I'm just gonna do a sort of, not dragging it all the way through to the top. Kind of like a ghost swipe. It's just my soft plastic file divider, which I've just use and use and use. Obviously can just keep reusing it. Those colours are beautiful together. I'm going to give it a whiz, turn around. Turn around. And colours are so shimmery, shiny. That's because of all the metallic gold and metallic bronze in there. Wow. Let's pull a bit of that gold over the top of that, like that. Kind of let this dry, and you could make it kind of to look like a reflection of buildings, you know, on a waterway. But whether I let that dry, and it looks pretty nice as it is. I quite like it. I think those colours will come through a bit further. So it's kind of definitely looking like a ghost swipe of sorts. Ghosties. And of course my thing that I love to do is balloon, and I'd love to balloon it, but I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it as this abstract reflection. The colours are beautiful, and I really, yeah, no, it's very, very nice colour, so I've got to be happy with that. Well, okay, my lovelies, what would you think? Would you leave it like that, or should I push on with it? Because it's kind of the phthalo blue has taken over it. And should I go to the next step and give it and actually blow it out, or leave it as that? Oh my goodness. Do you know what? I think I should blow it out. Maybe I should put some puddles in it. Puddles of paint, and then blow the puddles. So maybe I'll do that. So that's the antique gold. It's already got pouring medium added to it, and this is my champagne gold, which is just gorgeous. And that's just what you call it, metallic gold, 50% metallic gold, 50% silver. So I'm going to just add a bit of the blue. I'm going to add some white. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. And I'll go back to the bronze. I might have completely, you know, stuffed it up, but I'm gonna try. Now this one is the Amsterdam white with Australian Floetrol. So I'll put some of that in there, and I'll go a bit of this is the purple, just because I can, and we'll see how this blows out. Right, get my mini dryer, my mini blow dryer. Let's see how we go with this. Wow, look at those cells appearing in there. I'll just use my skewer to define some of the lines in there and just wipe it off in between. Oh, you must try it. It is a lot of fun and therapy in art. Bring it down. I'll bring you down to have a closer look at this because it's got some beautiful cells formed in there. That's super nice. Probably could do with defining this a bit more. Maybe in the center I balloon it. Remember, you don't have to. Remember, your art, your rules, your way. This is my art, and so you have to do what your heart desires, and I desire a kiss. Kiss. Oh, that's beautiful. That was a good decision. That's absolutely fine. Just that with my little wee balloon here. I just want to dip it in a bit of the darker blue, push it in, and it did absolutely nothing. Well, there you go. You try these things. I thought the darker blue might make it pop in the center a bit more. I think if I leave it to dry off a little bit and then put some of the darker blue in after that center's dried up a bit, I think that would work really well. That's very pretty. Anyway, I'm going to bring you down. Come on down. Wow. There's some lovely little spots in it, but there's kind of some dysmorphia in it. Is that what they call it? When it just doesn't look quite right. It's actually very pretty with that swipe underneath. It's actually something different under those bloom effects. It actually is a thing that I think I'll definitely explore again with that particular swipe. But and the colours are just beautiful, so I'm going to leave it to dry and leave it at that, because I think it's definitely interesting. So what do you guys think? Is it a yay or is it not? Okay, I will be back tomorrow. Let me think of something else to try and I'll be back with you. So please stick with me and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Bye for now.